All right, so today we're going deep on something that might sound a little dry at first,
No.
AI stocks.
No.
But trust me, this is about so much more than just numbers.
Yeah,
It's about understanding the future and how to be a part of it.
Yeah.
And for anyone listening who wants to get a handle on the best investment opportunities in AI,
Especially in the U.S. market?
right, especially in the U.S.,
Yeah.
for like 2024, 2025,
Yeah.
we've done the homework for you.
We have.
Poured over articles and research and data and all that, so you don't have to.
Exactly.
So let me just start by saying,
Oh, wait.
AI is kind of being touted as the next big thing.
Yeah.
Like, remember back when the internet was just starting out and
Oh,
people were like,
yeah.
this is going to change everything.
Totally.
Well, AI is giving off those same vibes.
Definitely. And even more so.
So are we like on the verge of another tech boom?
Well, think about it. AI is already impacting so many things.
Like what?
Personalized recommendations you see online.
Right?
Self-driving cars. Even healthcare is being revolutionized with AI.
Oh, wow.
It's everywhere.
So you're saying the companies that are leading this AI charge,
Yeah,
they're the ones to watch.
absolutely. They're the ones positioned for huge growth.
Interesting. Okay. And I know we're focusing on the U.S. market for this deep dive.
Right.
Why is that?
Well, for starters, a lot of these top AI companies, they're U.S. based,
Okay.
but also diversifying into the U.S. market.
Yeah.
It's just smart investing.
How so?
It helps spread the risk,
Okay.
especially with all the crazy stuff happening globally,
Like what kind of stuff?
like those geopolitical tensions and economic slowdowns. Plus, the U.S. dollar is strong right now.
Yeah.
So for investors from countries like India,
With the rupee. Yeah.
exactly, you get even more bang for your buck,
So it's a win-win.
pretty much.
Okay, so let's get to the good stuff.
Yeah.
The actual companies.
Well,
Our research pointed to some big names.
like,
Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA,
mm,
Alphabet,
mm-hmm.
which is Google, of course.
Right.
Tesla, Apple, Adobe,
Yeah.
Broadcom, and AMD.
It's a pretty impressive lineup.
It's like the all-star team of the tech world.
You could say that.
So let's break it down.
Okay.
Starting with Microsoft.
All right. So Microsoft, they're all in on AI.
Really?
Oh, yeah. They're integrating it into their cloud platform, Azure.
Oh, I've heard of that.
So you've got AI-powered tools for developers,
Mm-hmm.
healthcare solutions that can analyze like medical images
Wow.
super accurately.
It's incredible.
It's pretty amazing stuff.
Okay, what about Amazon?
They're everywhere.
I know, it's crazy.
They're using AI for everything.
Like what?
Optimizing their deliveries,
Okay,
like predicting what you'll order before you even think about it.
that's kind of creepy.
Right.
But also impressive.
And their recommendation algorithms.
Those are scary good.
I know those are powered by AI too.
It's like they're reading our minds.
Pretty much.
And what about NVIDIA?
Oh, they're huge in the AI world.
I always think of them for gaming.
Yeah, well, they make those graphics processing units.
CPUs.
Exactly. And those are essential for AI.
Why is that?
Because AI needs a ton of computing power. And NVIDIA's GPUs, they provide that.
So they're like the backbone of AI.
You could say that they have like 80% market share.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, they're basically supplying the brains for this AI revolution.
They're like the picks and shovels during a gold rush.
Exactly.
And then there's Google or Alphabet, I guess.
Right.
They're obviously a major player in AI.
Oh, yeah, their AI efforts are massive.
Like, what are some examples?
Well, there's search algorithms,
Mm-hmm.
self-driving cars with Waymo.
Right.
But one really interesting area is healthcare.
Oh, yeah.
They've got algorithms that can detect diseases like cancer
Really?
way earlier than traditional methods.
That's incredible.
It could be a real game changer.
So investing in Google is like investing in the future of healthcare.
It's a good way to think about it.
Okay, and what about Tesla?
They're all about AI, too.
I always just think electric vehicles.
Yeah, well, they're self-driving tech
Oh, right.
that's powered by AI.
Makes sense.
They're collecting tons of data from their cars.
And using it to train their AI.
Exactly,
Really?
giving them a big advantage in the race for autonomous vehicles.
Wow. So Tesla's not just a car company.
Nope, they're an AI powerhouse, too.
Okay, we've still got a few more on our list.
Yeah.
Apple, Adobe, Broadcom, and AMD.
All right, so Apple, they're kind of sneaky with their AI.
What do you need?
They're integrating it into everything.
Okay.
But it's subtle.
Like what?
Siri, their cameras.
Mm-hmm.
It's all about improving the user experience.
Makes sense.
Adobe, they're using AI to revolutionize creative tools,
Oh, cool.
making design and content creation way easier.
So it's like AI for artists
Kinda.
and Broadcom and AMD.
They're both important for the AI ecosystem.
How so?
Broadcom makes chips that power networking and data centers.
Which AI relies on.
Exactly. And AMD, they're like NVIDIA.
Providing the computing power.
Yep. They're another big player in the GPU market.
It's amazing how AI is touching like every part of our lives.
It really is.
But with all this talk about recessions and interest rates and stuff, is now really a good time to invest?
That's a fair question.
I'm a little nervous, honestly.
It's smart to be cautious, but market corrections are normal.
Really?
Oh, yeah. They happen.
So we shouldn't freak out?
Nope. In fact, these kinds of companies...
The AI ones?
Yeah, the innovators, the disruptors, they tend to come out of these dips even stronger.
So it's like a buying opportunity.
Exactly.
Instead of trying to time the market.
Which is almost impossible.
Right.
A systematic approach is better.
Like what?
Like SPs.
What are those?
Systematic investment plans.
Okay.
You invest a fixed amount regularly.
Like every month?
Yeah, regardless of what the market's doing.
Oh, I see.
So you average out your cost over time.
Okay.
And it helps lessen the impact of market swings.
So it's like a slow and steady wins the race kind of thing.
Yeah, think of it like building a house brick by brick.
I like that analogy.
That's a good way to think about it.
So for someone who wants to get started with AI investing,
Yeah.
what would you recommend?
I'd say start small.
Okay.
Maybe put 10-15% of your investment funds into U.S. stocks.
Let's start with.
Yeah, that way you're participating in the growth.
But not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
This whole conversation is making me think about the dot-com bubble.
Oh, yeah.
All that innovation, and then it all kind of crashed.
Yeah.
What lessons can we learn from that?
I think the biggest one is to focus on companies with solid fundamentals.
Not just hype.
Right? Look for real-world applications,
Mm-hmm.
a proven track record of innovation,
Okay.
and a clear vision for the future.
So not just jumping on the bandwagon.
Exactly.
Well, I think we've given everyone a lot to think about today.
I hope so.
Thanks for joining me.
It was my pleasure.
This AI world, it's a lot to wrap your head around,
It is.
but it's definitely exciting.
Absolutely.
For anyone listening, remember to do your research, invest wisely,
Mm-hmm.
and stay curious.
That's the most important thing.
And on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive.
Until next time.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
Bye.